Hello everyone. I've just set up new email accounts for you at docump-pivotpoint.com. I want to create this video to show you how easy it is to set up your new email account in Microsoft Outlook. So let's begin by clicking on the tab that says File, and then under Account Information we're going to add a new account. Instead of filling out this information directly, we're going to do this manually, so we want to click the radio box that says Manual Setup or Additional Server Types. Select Next. The type of account we're going to set up is going to be an IMAP, IMAP account, so we're going to click that radio button. Click Next. And this is where we set up the information using the information that I've already emailed you. Your name, the email address, you can see it's docump-pivotpoint.com. We're going to use the selector to select IMAP in the drop-down box. Incoming mail server will then be imap-pivotpoint.com. Next, we're going to add the information so that we can send email from this account. And this is called an SMTP server. So we're going to use smtp-pivotpoint.com. The username is going to be the same as our email address. So in my case, it's jlewis@docump-pivotpoint.com. The password is the password that I sent to you earlier. And once we've done this information, we're finished with this part of it. We don't need to use the secure password authentication, but we do want to go to more settings. Click on the Outgoing Server tab. Click the box that says My Outgoing Server SMTP requires authentication. You can check the Advanced tab. If you have trouble setting up your email initially, you might need to come back to this tab and make an adjustment here to one of these settings. Sometimes the email that is being sent out by various ISPs, perhaps the one that you're using, blocks the outgoing server on 25, although that is normally the default. If you do have problems with that, you can try a different port number such as 465. If you have problems with the incoming mail, you could also try port 993. So again, if the initial settings don't work, just return back to this tab, the Advanced tab, change the outgoing SMTP port to something like 465, and then it should most likely go through without any problems. But in this case, I know that based on my previous experience with my ISP, that the outgoing SMTP at 25 is not being blocked. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Then I'm going to click on Next. And you can see that we're sending out some test messages. We're testing the account settings. You'll see that a green check mark has occurred next to both of these. Again, the outgoing and the incoming email addresses. So this is the incoming email. It shows that it was sent successfully. This shows that I was able to send an email as well. So I received an email and I sent an email. It will say, congratulations, all tests completed successfully. Click close to continue. Now again, if you do get an error here or here, just go back to that Advanced tab and change those port settings and test again, and you should be just fine and ready to go. If you do have problems, at any point, by all means, do give me a call, 607-821-7777. You can see we're all set. I've got all the information that was needed to establish the account sent successfully. So we'll finish this, and now my new email is all ready to go. And you can see that I've just gotten some new email messages saying welcome to your mailbox, J Lewis at docucomp-pivotpoint.com. So that shows that everything is working, and you should be receiving an email similar to that. So you should be all set to go, and good luck. Hope everything works out well for you. If it doesn't, by all means, give me a call, 607-821-7777. This is Jim Lewis. Thanks for watching.